Alright guys, so this is a quick tip on using Ampire for movement and any kind of sound. Right now I got this sound going on. Just something I played on the keyboard. And this is without Ampire right now, so I'm just close that. It's really boring, just dynamically speaking. And I wanted to put some movement in there, so threw Ampire in here and was kind of blown away. Now what we got going on is this pan, this tremolo, the equalizer, and the cry, and the delay actually. This is probably clipping, yeah. But do not underestimate Ampire. And then I just threw my favorite reverb on there, one of them. And that's pretty incredible from this. Yeah, so if you got Studio One, don't fail to use Ampire. Alright guys, happy music making.